pag-usapan natin ang isang lugar na stylish ang pagstay nyo in the Philippines or in Manila especially. So, bawat OFW at bawat seafarer at bawat balikbayan, pag uwi mo sa Pilipinas, you deserve more than just a place to sleep. You mostly deserve comfort, convenience, and you deserve value of your hard-earned money. So, pag-uusapan natin yan kasi itong place at yung ating guest will talk about a place that's smart, practical, and budget-friendly choice para sa ating lahat. Para sa inyo, para sa pamilya nyo, pwede kayong mag-transit. Pag andito sa Manila, pwede nyong gamitin yon without sacrificing comfort. So, alam natin, ang Manila is the getaway to the Philippines where families reunite, where long flights end, and warm hugs begin. All right. So, ayan sa mga seafarers natin at ating mga OFWs dyan, the real question is, where can you stay that's very clean, very good, very accessible, very safe, and very affordable?